Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. MARSHALLTOWN 1 gallon can carrier. The MARSHALLTOWN 1 gallon can carrier, the smart way to handle heavy paint cans. The 1 gallon can carrier is easy to attach. Slide the carrier underneath the wire handle. Then slip the wire into the notch on the carrier. Rotate the carrier back to snap it in place. Attach the Velcro strap around the bottom to secure the carrier to the can. Remove the lid and you're ready to paint. The soft grip handle is ergonomic and comfortable, which helps reduce fatigue. The handle also acts as a pail hook while working from a ladder, and the built-in magnet will store a loaded paintbrush over the mouth of the can, so it stays clean and ready to go. The carrier fits any standard 1 gallon plastic or metal paint can. The MARSHALLTOWN 1 gallon can carrier is your new versatile helper, ready to go with every gallon of paint. Hozelock Green Power XL. With the Hozelock Green Power XL electrical weed burner, weeds are a thing of the past. This electrical burner has a 2000 watts motor and can reach temperatures up to 600 degrees Celsius. This makes it suitable for larger surfaces too. You can use the small round shield for precise jobs. This can be removing weeds from your vegetable garden or tiles. You can also use the burner to light your barbecue. It has a fan mode, so you can safely cool down the burner when you store it. With the extra handle, you can work comfortably. Fastback by Creepex. This innovative mechanic creeper will provide you with remarkable mobility, agility, and comfort. It provides mechanics with incredible handling control for an ideal working position without having to pull himself by grabbing the vehicle being worked on. Twin-sealed bearings on each wheel will glide effortlessly like rollerblades. Pica-Dry Longlife Automatic Pencil 3030. An excellent marking tool for the workshop and job site, the Pica-Dry is a sturdy mechanical pencil that accepts 2.8mm leads. It has a sharpening blade built into the cap and a convenient holster with a tooth clip that grips a belt firmly, making it easy to withdraw the pencil one-handed. The tough, oversized plastic housing is easy to grip even when wearing work gloves. The pencil comes with a black 2mm sleeve that makes a dark, easily visible mark on lumber or on smooth, hard surfaces such as tile. For better contrast on dark surfaces, the pencil is also available with colored 2mm leads. The black, yellow, and red leads are water-soluble and can be erased with a damp cloth. Rompact's battery-powered impact trench. This easy-to-use, ergonomic tool is foldable and has been designed for use in tight spaces, such as bolting fish plates and working in switch areas. There is no transmission of the torque to the operator. The handle is 90 degrees adjustable. The Rompact has a 1-inch drive for mounting a variety of sockets, and output can be adjusted to 50, 75, and 100%. The Rompact can tighten or loosen up 700 bolts on a 700 battery and up to 400 on a 400 battery. The Rompact also has LED lights for the illumination of the working area. The BLACK+DECKER 1000 Alligator Lopper 4.5 electric chainsaw is an ideal tool for pruning tree branches up to 4 inches in diameter, cutting branches into manageable pieces, and cutting fallen branches after storms. Its 4.5 amp motor provides powerful, fast cutting, and its innovative clamping jaws grab and cut in one easy motion. Also included is a heavy-duty cutting bar and chain to deliver fast cutting of thick branches and logs. with a 6-inch bar length. This electric chainsaw comes backed by a limited 2-year warranty. Bihui vibration tile beater and suction cup. Compact and lightweight, allowing the positioning of the tile through the suction cup. The vibration action removes residual air bubbles when trapped between the tile and adhesive. The intensity of the vibration is adjustable to 3 different frequencies. Lightweight and easy to use, the DocaPole GoSaw takes tree trimming to a new level and brings jobs previously reserved for the pros into reach. Razor-sharp bi-directional teeth glide through limbs. Whether used on the DocaPole or by hand, add additional DocaPole attachments to tackle all your hard-to-reach tasks. Indoors and out. Stay off the ladder. Stay safe. Get the job done. Cleaning a paint roller just got easier thanks to the MARSHALLTOWN roller cleaner, an all-in-one solution that quickly cleans and restores rollers so they can be reused for multiple paint projects. The roller cleaner features 2 built-in tools to remove paint: a scraper on one end and a garden hose attachment on the other. The built-in contoured scraper drives the paint out of the roller. Continue to scrape until most of the paint has been removed and recaptured. Attach the roller cleaner to a garden hose, then insert the roller into the roller cleaner with the frame still attached. Rotate the roller frame and lock it in place. Turn on the water and watch the paint disappear. Continue to rinse over a 5-gallon bucket until the water runs clear. Remove the roller cleaner, and the roller is ready to go for your next paint project. The MARSHALLTOWN roller cleaner is made from durable heavy-duty plastic and is designed to fit over most 9-inch rollers up to 1/2-inch nap. Make cleaning up easy, save paint, and reuse rollers multiple times with the MARSHALLTOWN roller cleaner. Drill pump kit quick flow. It can be powered by an air ratchet or cordless drill. Universal adapter with rubber mounting strap that allows all sizes of drill to be quickly mounted to the pump. Specifically designed for the streaming service. It includes adapters for many types of vehicles. The one-handed operation that leaves your hand free to manage the suction and discharge hoses. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.